Hi, if you're a business owner and your business isn't growing, you're in the right place. We're going to discuss today part one of a 5-part series on if you're not growing. So today we're going to talk about specifically culture. And culture is number one because without the right culture, your strategic plan means nothing. Your finances will dwindle. Your customers won't be happy. Things don't work well. So let's talk about an idea about how do we improve culture? Culture can start with having the right mindset, for sure. So affirmations, vision books, stuff like that. Team building exercises are a great way to build culture. But it's also setting the right expectation of them, of yourself, holding them accountable, developing key performance indicators. So come back for the next one, and that one's going to be on strategy. We'll see you soon.